welcome everyone. It's Susan here from For Modern Mothers, Hypnobirthing and Birth Preparation. And a little video today. I am with Katherine here in York and from an amazing organisation called Treasure Chest, who are all about supporting mums and mums-to-be in their breastfeeding journey. So, Katherine, just first of all, tell me a little bit about Treasure Chest. And what you do within that organisation.
Treasure Chest is a charity, a volunteer-led organisation. I'm one of the trained peer supporters. I trained last autumn when I was pregnant. I managed to fit into the training course quite easily.
Yeah.
So that was half a day a week for 10 weeks.
Okay.
So you get really comprehensive training.
Really comprehensive.
From fully qualified lactation consultants.
Yeah.
And they looked after us and trained a little cohort of us to become peer supporters. And they usually do that at least twice a year.
Yeah.
So there's a band of actually predominantly women who support other mummies in York who are thinking about breastfeeding or currently breastfeeding and need some help with that.
Yeah.
We do all sorts.
We have an extra guest today. This is Evalyn, and it is Evelyn's half birthday today. She is 6 months old. You're going to wave, Evalyn, because she's quite fascinated by the camera.
So yes, Evalyn was born on Christmas Day, and today marks 6 months of exclusive breastfeeding.
Wow.
So that's only really been possible with the support of my husband, Treasure Chest, and all my family. It's certainly been easier this time around because I was definitely better prepared.
Yes.
I was lucky that I went through Treasure Chest training while I was pregnant, but pregnant women can go to the Treasure Chest Antenatal. Okay, Evalyn.
Okay, so Treasure Chest help women, you were saying, both before they've had a baby, when they're pregnant, and you do these great workshops. So tell us a little more about those, because that's really beneficial, isn't it, to know in advance of having your baby where you can go for help and how breastfeeding works.
So one Saturday every month, Treasure Chest runs a full morning antenatal workshop that couples usually come to, so both the expectant mother and her partner come to find out more about what breastfeeding is, what it entails, and just help them to get best prepared, really.
Yeah.
Because if people want to breastfeed, planning to breastfeed, the first few days, you new baby, you just give a birth in whatever way you happen to give birth. The first few days can be quite difficult. For a whole multitude of reasons.
And this is the thing, isn't it? So breastfeeding is obviously really natural. We're biologically, programmed to be able to feed our babies, and that's great. And lots of women want to do that, but it isn't necessarily easy. And for most people, it won't be easy, either at the start or at some point along the way. Something comes along and trips you up, and it can hurt a lot, and lots of things, and it can take lots of perseverance and lots of help.
Absolutely.
And that's exactly what Treasure Chest and all these amazing peer supporters can offer, isn't it?
Well, yes, breastfeeding is a learned skill.
It's learned, yes.
And it's you as a pair, so we call a feeding dyad.
Feeding dyad?
Yeah, it's great,
awesome. I've never heard that term before.
And the two of us learn together. So even though this is my second child, my first, she's different. So we learn together. And I had an emergency cesarean with her, so I had difficulties from that. Fortunately, the first little bit of feeding went okay, but I had peer supporters visiting me in the hospital. I had supportive midwives, and I felt confident about my choices. So I felt really lucky. But it just takes a little bit of getting used to, and you learn as a pair. They just come out into the world. You've just had a baby, and all of a sudden you're like, right, what do I do next?
So in that case, because I had twins and I fed them both, so I would be a feeding triad.
Probably.
That's awesome. Yeah, they do feed differently. They have different patterns of feeding and different sizes of tummies that take milk and how often they need feeding and different cues in fact and things like that.
And that's what Treasure Chest helped me with knowing what the early feeding cues are. So I feed her as soon as she shows signs of being hungry, being really responsive to her. And then each time we hit a new little developmental stage, so be that she had a sore neck for a little while, or she started crawling, or all of a sudden she started to be able to move her head and look around. Came back to treasure chest and say, oh, what's this? Is this normal for my baby? And could just chat to other mums and find out about normal baby behaviour and the changes that happen as we're feeding. And everybody's journey is completely different. So just that individual support's been really helpful.
So as well as the antenatal before you have baby, these free, which is amazing, free on the weekend workshops each month. Once you've had your baby, we're here just before the start of one of the drop-in sessions. So each day of the week, isn't it? Every day of the week, every weekday, Monday to Friday, in a different location all around York. Today we are in Haxby, but all around York in a separate room in a private space where women, couples with their babies can come and chat to peer supporters who are here to help them with anything they're worried about, anything that they want to know about. If they're feeding, whatever age that baby or child is, okay, however long you want to feed that baby for. So
we're really lucky. We see really near newborns right the way through to running around toddlers, mums at various stages of their breastfeeding journey with questions, or quite often now we have quite a few people who come along just for a social chit chat with other mums.
Exactly.
We all sit around and feed together and have a cup of tea. And every Monday's at Haxby, but then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we've got groups all over York. And then on Friday, that's our specialist session with lactation consultants and breastfeeding counsellors, where people who've got more complex challenges, they come and can talk to fully qualified team members from Treasure Chest.
Brilliant. So you can refer people on there and signpost them. If you are going, I'm not sure about this, but I know this person can. So you can signpost to other organisations, other people.
And Treasure Chest is careful to work really hand in hand with health visitors. We share some of our drop-ins with health visitor clinics and linking to GPs as well. So we do lots of referring through as needed.
So working as a partnership, as a team, fantastic. And also the final support, because sometimes maybe you can't get to a meeting or a drop-in, but you have Facebook support too, which is great. So
Treasure Chest, it's called Treasure Chest York and Beyond.
I'm going to put all the links below the video, okay, to the Treasure Chest website and the Facebook, so you'll have all that just to click on.
Brilliant, because I probably got it wrong. But there's a Treasure Chest Facebook group where peer supporters are rated on to help support and answer questions. Lots of other mummies are on there. And they can
great place. And you can do that any time of the day or night, at the weekend. There's always someone there who will offer help and support.
Even in the middle of the night.
And I've used that in the middle of the night, 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm the only one, and you're not. There's other people there doing it. Brilliant. Thank you so much. Thank you. The meeting is about to start. You may hear people coming and arriving, which is great. Lots of mums and babies and other peer supporters. Thank you for joining us. Thank you to Katherine. Thank you to Evalyn, whose name I got slightly wrong earlier, who is on Katherine's lap. And thank you, everyone. Any questions, let me know, and I'll put the links below. But thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.